Hi, hello and welcome back to my channel Chandrani does art and I'm Chandrani. So today's topic is how to simplify any object from your reference if you want to draw that. Sounds great? Let's get started. So I'm gonna give you 3 tips about how to simplify your object from your references if you are going to draw something. First of all, we have to know what is simplifying. Simplifying is something which is a kind of summary of the main thing. Imagine yourself you are drawing a tree, but it has a lot of effects, lot of textures on it, lot of leaf, a complex thing. But if you are going to focus on those detailing from the initial stage, believe me, you're never gonna create that. Okay, so simplifying the object from your reference is very important part, especially if you are doing any children book illustrations, not the realistic thing. So making your object or your reference simple in a way, you can study in a better way if you just simplify the object and just study about its shapes. Your object, just draw or form the object of their particular area with the basic shapes like triangle, square, circle, this kind of thing. Number 2, focus on that particular area that you are going to draw. Like if you are going to draw the tree, just don't focus on the whole area from the very beginning. Just focus on the, let's say, the head of the tree, then just focus on the trunk. Okay, so focus on a particular area at a time, not the whole thing. Tip number 3 is avoid detailing. It will come gradually. If you want, you can do that at the end of your drawing. At first you have to draw the exact shape of your object, so you have to keep this in mind. Just avoid detailing at the initial stage and just have the basic shape. So hope you guys enjoy this video and like this video. If you have learned something, please hit the like button, and if you are new and want to learn about art and digital painting, so please do subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe my channel. Please share this video if as much as possible. This is all for now. I will be back with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.